What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. We've got my brother Matthew over here too, and we have just arrived at P&M Pumpkin Patch. Hopefully you guys can see that sign. This is the pumpkin patch we've been coming to for years, and best spot to get your pumpkins, best spot to have some fun with the family, right? Yeah, we are doing the intro right now. We're going to take you on inside here and give you guys a full review over the P&M Pumpkin Patch just outside of Moundridge, Kansas.
That's where we are.
And if you know me, you know I grew up pretty much here. Yep.
If you don't subscribe and click that bell, please go check your snacks.
A lot. Yeah. Needing more pumpkins. Go and dump big one up.
Let's go. You got your energy, don't you? Yeah, I know. You already picked one. Let's go play first.
Owen, how about you sit?
Just sit.
Owen, how about you sit?
I can make my way through that one.
Yeah, I can see over it.
That's like a nautical
Let's go
yacht.
play! Let's go play it by Lily!
I have some cash for supper, so I'm gonna guess they'll be hungry
Oh yeah.
if they're not already. Down, Papa.
On the tiptoes.
There. Cohen was like
Hey,
dipping
what
down.
is wrong?
Let's see how
What's
tall
wrong?
you are.
And get off. Let go. There. Stop. No.
Where's Lily?
Just
Riley, you
wait.
wanna take a picture with Dad to see how tall
Here,
Dad
look.
is?
Let's see.
Let's see how tall Dad is.
Let's see. Are
Got
we
him?
tall or no? You're pretty small like that. There you go. Oh.
Might have got him.
Well, he was on his tippy toes, but we got one.
Did we lose two?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Feels
Somewhere.
like slowly we're over here.
Riley, we will find them. Yeah, we will. Lily and Jessica and Jeff. They're right there. See them? Right there.
No way.
Do you see them? Right there.
They're at the P&M mining company.
Oh, hey, there we are.
They go, we're gonna be here. They're like, we're gonna go there this weekend. And I was like, it's gonna be cold.
Yeah, it's gonna
You should probably go like Thursday when it's really nice.
Yeah. I know, I was like, let's go Thursday.
There, here, go see him.
Right there.
Yeah, we'll go in there in a second, okay?
Right here.
Riley has to go see Lily. He is being very grumpy. Okay, come here. There, say hi. Quit being so grumpy. Jeff, for the most popular kid in school, apparently.
There you go.
Get up there, Cohen.
There you go.
How do you do it?
Roll it. Roll it.
Ready? Ready?
Not too hard.
I'll help you. Here, we gotta push it. You gotta push it. But you can't have a fair, so you come to the pumpkin patch.
That's what everybody's doing.
Okay.
That is the thing to do.
Still got us a big old line for the sleds.
They put up a new building every year.
I know.
One. They have to.
You don't get to do flips on it, Mom. Takes a lot of energy, doesn't it?
Yeah, no more flips, so it's kind of boring. Just jumping. Oof.
You told me?
Well, boys, if I do get out now, I'll just do flips anyway. So you better stay off. Yeah.
You'll get kicked out, yeah. All right, hold on. We'll get a rule breaker real quick. Okay, no flips. All right, go do it. See, and bounce. Did it.
You're all right. That's 1, 2 of our shoes. Did you already?
I feel like he's running more than he's jumping.
Like, that one's too small for us. Oops, sorry.
Oh, you're okay.
Doggone it, man. No, you're good. I wouldn't. Right here. Yep. Yep. Let me know if that furnace starts up good for you this year too. So.
Yes. As I'm gonna see it. I'm going down. Do it. Yeah, you went really fast, huh? Jeff's gonna race you. Yeah. I think Riley's in this one. Yeah. They even went the same amount. Let's see. Riley got him.
Yeah.
Oh. Adi wants to race you. Yeah, go race him. Right. Adi took the win. Dang. Look at that finish. That's gonna be fun.
He drifted like.
Pedal, Matthew. You can scoot your seat back. Pedal.
Yeah, I can't ride those ones. Ooh, just got a wreck. You better call insurance. Okay, and Riley's just gonna take his deer and run stuff over. There goes Adi, zipping around. There goes Lily.
Are you stuck going?
Look at that. Cohen's pedaling this year.
Good thing he's not driving a car yet.
Which one? Riley?
No, Cohen. He like backed out to everybody. Where'd he go? He's stuck again.
Yeah, he's stuck over
Did
there.
you go off road?
Let's
Does
go
the seat
find
scoot
him.
forward?
Did you go off road?
Where's your brother? Oh, there he goes. Keep going. Where's Lily? She's back there. Oh no. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go. Around the collision. Quit running into him, Riley. You're gonna lose your license.
Yeah.
Here comes Cohen. Look at that, they added a slide to the truck. What looks like? I didn't bring a paint pen. So
Oh, they're going to this one. I thought they were going to the ones on the other side.
Man, he's hauling. Where are these frames? They add bigger tires to these things or what?
They have another set over there. And they have
The
four
person, yeah.
No, there's bigger one of these over there too.
Oh, nice.
Are they bigger?
Those same type of feet.
Same size? All I know is it's not safe.
Taking victory. I'm about to go get a first-person POV ride.
There you go.
Hey, they're not coming.
I don't know if you can hear it.
They're cold.
There's Lily and Cohen. finally. Here comes Uncle Matthew. Andy. Riley.
Cohen, let's go. We're gonna beat your dad.
So far, you're off to a good start.
Yeah, I go back to the beginning.
Oh, we got us a roadblock up here. We're gonna have to get around him. Oh yeah, look at that. Good choice.
He's taking this.
Let's catch Lily. Lily, you're next. No. Oh, taking that side. Taking that side. Oh, look at that. She pushed me to the corner. Oh no. Oh no, she got me. Yeah. Oh no. Oh. Dang it. No, I'm really stuck. I can't go. I can't go. Oh no. Oh, he passed us. Let's get a little boost and get her out of the way. No. Hey, cut that out. This isn't fair. No fair. Yeah. I know. You gonna sit on here with me? All right, let's try it. Okay, ready? Ready? You good? Here, ready? Good picture. Good. Bye, Adi. Oh no, you gotta steer it right. All right. Good, after you running me over. Oh, my legs. Okay, ready? Or are you gonna take that one? I'll push you. I'll give you a push, ready? I'll hit the edge. You're a little too small. Round two.
It would be easier to run if I wasn't holding all the juice that was.
All right, we're gonna chase him. You wanna chase him with me? You're gonna have to run. Okay, let's go. Come on, go. Oh no, he gave up. He's out of the race. Ah! Catch Jeff. Catch him. I'm going. He just did a burnout. It's not a burnout. Go. Beat him. Ready? Oh yeah, winner. Whew. Way to go, Colin. Way to go. There's the critter. He gave up. Yeah. Give us a high five. Yee. We got a massive teepee. I'm gonna get some more of these. Right. Look at this big old spider in this spider web. Do you see it? It's right there. Oh, he just jumped in. There he is. Uh-oh, just breaking the TP. Hey, 1 sheet of toilet paper. Oh, wrong party. Wrong party. That's real loud. Now there's 3 spiders. Whoa! Are you stuck?
Okay, I'm good now. I caught my breath. For the most part.
3 suey. 1, 2,
It'll sound
3.
about the same.
Suey. Bring out our outlaw workers. Come on, guys. You gotta hurry up. You're behind. It is gonna be the pig and the red bandana has got. Oh, blue bandana won it at the last second. What do you guys think of our outlaw anchors tonight? Give them a big round of applause. Okay, so that was race number 1. We have 2 more races for you tonight, and then we will
Smile. Oh my gosh, I look like
The journey of
You
pictures.
look like what? Your mom?
I got you to smile.
We got a full cart up there, a full cart back here.
Got a ghost rider.
Check that out. We're going back in the woods, Cohen. What do you think about that? It's good? Is it spooky? This is my rear view mirror. That's right. Coming in hot. Oh, and he's good. Alright guys, that ends our trip here to P&M Pumpkin Patch. Sorry, P&M Pumpkin Patch.
Yeah, Pumpkin Patch.
It was a blast, wasn't it, Colin? Yes. Look at Grandma back there carrying Cohen. And then back here, we got Papa, Matthew, and Audie. They ran away somewhere. They're behind the building. We're gonna go get some pumpkins. It got pretty darn chilly. Pretty quick. Anyhow, this place is awesome and highly recommended. Definitely come out here. Let them know Arctic Vet sent you. Or the Griffin family. Okay, ready? Go get them. Run, 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 run. This is awesome. We're gonna get pumpkins now. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. Drop those comments down below. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And we will see you in the next video.